Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute stress-free day ahead meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Breathing here naturally with your eyes still gently closed. Channel the energy that is causing the stress within your body. Locate where you feel these difficulties formulating and center them into a ball located in the center of your stomach. Continue breathing naturally as you accumulate every factor that is contributing to stress in your life. If it is comfortable for you, place one hand over your heart and one over your stomach. On your inhale through your nostrils, force the ball of negativity up from your stomach to your mouth. Then on your exhale, sigh out all of the stressful things in your life with a deep sigh. Feel your chest and stomach expand and release any tension to assist in relieving stress. 2 more times. Another deep inhale in through your nostrils, removing any lingering negative energy. Then exhale out through your mouth with a deep sigh out. One last time. Take one last deep inhale in through your nostrils, rejuvenating your body from all of the stress that you are experiencing. Then exhale it out with a deep sigh. Find your natural rhythm and continue to breathe. For added cleansing, we are going to inhale through your nostrils for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then exhale out of your mouth for 5 seconds. 2 more times. Take an inhale through your nostrils for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then deep exhale out of your mouth for 5 seconds. Last time. Inhale through your nostrils for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then exhale out of your mouth one deep sigh for 5 seconds. Release your hands from your heart and stomach and place your hands down to your knees, palming them to ground yourself in this practice. Allow your breath to find its rhythm naturally and for your heart rate to normalize from the spike it experienced when you felt the stress creeping on and as you cleared your mind, body, and spirit. Soothe your soul with the natural breaths and stillness you are witnessing in this moment. Still breathing naturally, envision the stress-free day that you are going to have upon completing this mindfulness practice. Embody optimism and be prepared to set applicable boundaries in an effort to protect your peace. All right, beautiful beings, as we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am proclaiming a stress-free day ahead. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. And I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you're prepared to move forward with your day, we're going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, close your mouth, and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side in a fetal position. Stay here for a moment, and then place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this stress-free day ahead meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.